Hi everybody, welcome back. Today we will know how to make an isometric text like this. So let's start. First I will write anything like this with capital letters only, and now choose any fill, choose effect menu, 3D and extrude and bevel, click on preview, choose isometric top. I will move it like this, and from surface choose no shading, click OK. Now with Alt button and right arrow you can increase the distance between letters like this, and from object menu choose Spend Appearance, from window and pathfinder choose trim like this. Now I will choose my text and make ungroup, and now select all top faces, change the color, and also the same thing with right faces. Like this, and choose another one. Like this. And now select your text and choose any stroke like this. Now select this face and take a copy with Alt button, and from direct selection tool delete the 2 points here and take the height from here. Now delete this part and go back. Select all top faces and make group and choose transform, move, make horizontal 0 and vertical make paste like this, and click on copy. Now arrange it to pack. Now from effect menu choose distort and transform, and choose transform, click on preview and choose 200 copies, and from horizontal 0.1 like this, click OK, and I can decrease the opacity like this. Now I will make the background like this, send it to back, and you can change the color from gradient like this. I will take this one and the blue one, and now with gradient tool, stop at any point like this and drag to make two colors in the background like this. And I can add some details to my design. Select the top faces and make ungroup. Open appearance window and choose new fill. Drag it here and open switches window and open library, and from patterns choose basic graphics and basic graphics dots and choose anyone from here like this. And I finished. That was all for today. Thank you for watching, and if you have any question, leave it in comments and I will be happy to answer it. Goodbye.